How to buy Pepe Evolutions token. So this token came under the symbol of PEPEV. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's in the pre-sale for now. So if you click on their official website, you will be able to find this page. So what you need to do, just connect your wallet first. So I will use the MetaMask. So after you connect your wallet to that pre-sale page, what you need to do, you can now just select one of these tokens that you have funded, or that you have a fund on your wallet. So after you select the token, just type how much you want to buy. As you can see, so here you will be able to see how much you will be received of that token. So after that, click on approve, and as you can see, I don't have any fund on that token on my wallet. So what you need to do after that, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process in order to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy PayPath token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.